This portion of the webinar, we will show you how to use application Prezi for fostering communication and collaboration within your classroom. Today, we will be looking at what a Prezi is, some common uses of Prezi in an educational environment, communicating and collaborating with Prezi, a small collaboration example, how-to demos, and things to watch out for when using a Prezi. First of all, what is a Prezi? Prezi is a web-based software tool that allows you to create more interactive and interesting presentations to use in your lessons to help engage your students. Prezi is a lot different from PowerPoint in that you are creating on a more non-linear canvas-like layout, whereas in PowerPoint you are using just a single slide format. Both of these will be explained shortly. Since Prezi is web-based, it allows for easier access to your presentation if you're using multiple computers, and also it allows you to not have to bulk email if you're sharing this presentation among several of your classmates or peers. It also allows for viewing without needing to install PowerPoint, or if you don't have access to PowerPoint on a teaching computer, for example. What can you use Prezi for? Prezi can be used as an alternative to PowerPoint because it's more interactive and less boring than PowerPoint, in that you can use motion such as panning in, panning out, zooming in, zooming out from point to point. And this allows you to make your presentations much better by giving it a better look, and with a lot more motion, making it more interesting and engaging for you and your students. Prezi also allows you to be non-linear in your presentation. Non-linear presentations are more interactive, in which you are stopping in the middle of your presentation to either reinforce a point or to answer a question from your student that doesn't understand the previous points. Whenever you're finished, you can jump back into your presentation when there are no more answers, no more questions to be asked. Prezi can handle this because it is designed to be non-linear, in which linear presentations are less interactive because you are not allowing the students to answer until you are done with the lesson you're teaching. The second use is mind mapping. Mind mapping can be used in collaborating projects, or if you are planning a debate in your class. A mind map is a diagram that is used to represent words, ideas, tasks, or other items that is linked together and arranged around a central key or word or idea. Like, say, you can do a topic and allow your students to branch off for or against this certain topic, like in a debate. Prezi can also be used as a brainstorming tool. Let's say if you have a project and you tell them you want this certain project to be done, and they can pick their own topic. Prezi allows you to pick this topic by using it as a brainstorming, by branching off to in certain places in the Prezi, and this is great if you're writing a paper or using it as a science project. Prezi is also a great tool for communicating and collaborating in your classes because you can use it to collaborate with others via several built-in collaboration tools. Prezi allows you to collaborate online by allowing editors to edit and critique Prezis. This is great for when you want to work on a group project. Whoops. If you want to do a group project, or if you want multiple people to edit the same presentation. Also, you can share the Prezi with classmates by either embedding it in a learning management system, or by email or other social media like Facebook or Twitter. Collaboration is very easy in Prezi in that you can hold a meeting session via the Prezi meeting, which I will show very shortly. They must have gotten rid of it. This is very helpful if you're brainstorming for a project. The only drawback is that you can only have 10 people maximum within a Prezi meeting. To invite people, it's as easy as clicking the Invite to Edit button and sending via email or instant messaging. With sharing, you can share your Prezi with collaborators using the Prezi meeting option, or you can send them a link. And I will show you an example of a Prezi sharing. This professor is doing a topic, security versus privacy. As you can see, it's kind of a mind map saying this student is arguing against security, and this student here is arguing for privacy. This allows the professor to go in and make a mind map of each one of the students if they wanted to study for a test or whatever they want to do with it. Let me go back to my Prezi. Setting up an account is very easy. For this example, you just go to prezi.com. Let me go ahead and start a new Firefox. And then log myself out and show you how to log in. And you press the sign up button. You have three choices. You want to use the public since the other two are paid, or if you're a student or teacher, you can go to the Edu Enjoy, which that means you're free if you have an educational account, and then you just pick your choice. Then you just create a first name, last name, then whatever you want to use for a password, and then password again. I don't want to do this since we have a short time. Once you get your account, go back to prezi.com and you hit login, and then you enter your password. Mine's already been saved for the sake of time. Then you just hit login. First thing you're going to see is your dashboard, which I have plenty of Prezis to go around. You go here, you click New Prezi, type in your title. This one I'm just doing title, and then type a short description if you want to. Then click New Prezi, and it will create your Prezi within a couple of seconds. You pick your topic. Since we're doing roadmaps, I'll click business plan, click preview. And editing and adding text is very easy. Click anywhere in your Prezi, either zoom in or zoom out, whatever you want to. Then you just double click on your Prezi and then type your text. This will be point 1. You hit whatever it's going to be, either a title or body. Then you can use it like a word processor. You can do a line, you can do text color, left or right, or a bullet point. Click OK, and if you don't like it, you can go in. This thing, this thing is called a zebra. I don't know how they got that name, but you can go in, go back and forth, however you want to on this. Position it. Click the little pencil if you want to edit, and then you can resize your text and move your text around. You just click OK, and you have your first point right here. Then you can add all sorts of images. You can embed videos, add shapes. You can also add a frame. You can add a frame to just dragging and then pulling it over here. You can also add paths, which that allows you to do the roadmap. And to do that, you just double click here wherever you want to, and it'll add it to the path list here. And once you're finished, you click on save. Either that or it will auto save. And you can also embed YouTube videos and graphics, whatever you want to in the Prezi. Once you're finished, you click on exit, and your Prezi will be saved. Go back to my Prezi. Now, the final thing you want to do is things to watch out for. Things to watch out for in a Prezi: keep the zooming and panning at a minimum, because it will make your students motion sick. You give them motion sickness. Also, you want to make sure that you use easy to understand graphics and also non-distracting text to help get your points across more effectively. And also, the biggie is to make sure that you create a non-distracting backgrounds that are neutral in color, such as a white with a black text, or a kind of a blue with white text. And make sure that the text is readable within your Prezi. This concludes the Prezi part of the webinar. And if you want more questions, we have an FAQ page. We have a frequently asked questions page at this address here. Thank you for your time, and happy Prezi.